guys, hi, long time guys since I last uploaded a video, but guys, guess what? I'm here with another exciting video, guys. So I've really missed you guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm here again. So guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate that, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you can be able to change your payment methods on Facebook. So the most used payment methods on Facebook, that is either your Visa card or your Mastercard. So I know at one, maybe you've tried to go and add a card to a certain account, and then they told you, like, you know what, this card cannot be added to this other account because you've been using it in other accounts. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can be able to change that card, or how you can be able to remove that specific card from that specific account. All right, so guys, I just hope that you get to learn something from this, guys, and without much further ado, I'll just get started. So let's go. So guys, we just go direct to Facebook, and then you just click the three top lines at the top of your right hand. Then you're gonna go down to settings, and then you're gonna go again to payments. So you just go down until you you scroll down to Facebook Ads Manager, and then you can just scroll down until you get to billing. Is it billing? Yes, billing, or billing, yes, billing. And then, as you can see here, I have two cards, and I really want to remove one card. So this is the card that I want to remove. So I'm gonna just go and click remove, and I'm gonna say okay, and that's it. You see that's how cool that is. If I want to add another card, you can see here down I have an option of add another card. I can add another card so that I can be able to remove the above card. So remember, every time you want to remove a card, you must have saved another card, and that's how simple it is, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's how simple it is. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. That's how simple it is. Remember that every time you have to remove a card, you must have to add another card just to make it primary. Facebook will not allow you to leave a page without a card if you have added it before. So for you to change that card, you must have added another card, so that it will give you an option of adding another card. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, if you did, kindly make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and of course you can keep liking it and sharing it. Always leave your sentiments down there. If you have such an experience, we can always learn from each other. Thank you guys. Until next time, my name is Josephine. Ciao. Have a nice time. Bye.